Mic check, we're live. Few seconds to New York Open. Let's expect a bullish. Let's see if price will keep on going higher. In the next second, we'll be having we actually caught this move from the New York. We're still cruising inside it. Price has reached our second target at exactly New York Open. Price is still running high. Here is our take profit. The second take profit is here. The third take profit is there. See it clearly in the hourly time frame. Price is going to reach today's session. Not for today, but price has really 60 pip range. 60 pip range. I'll actually show you a trade that I took last year, a trade that I did last year about this current day. I will post it and we'll see. We actually risked 11 pips, 10 pips to get 60 pips. You can take everything here. Price might even reverse, but it has reached our second take profit, 60 pips. I'm coming to here to show you we took this. You remember when we were here expecting bullish prices? I also told you yesterday I'm expecting bullish prices. This price, did you know this price can reverse up to the whole of the session? Did you know? But since we have taken out something here, you might, those who didn't exit or if you're joining live now, here is where we would have taken out a greater proportion of it because we are 60 pips. Who gives you 60 pips out of nowhere? Remember when you were here? Telling you I'm expecting a market structure shift there. Before it happened, market structure, go back to the live and see market structure shift when we are below the midnight opening price. This is an A plus setup. Yeah, market structure shift. I already told you I'm expecting a retracement to a favorable gap, then boom, see, keeps on rallying and rallying. But here you can see price go. You might want to see, you may see a consolidation during this New York session, or maybe a continuation higher, or if you're seeing higher to reach our full take profit to here. But from here to here, I told you, and we took something. We are up, and this is not a sell. Anybody who is selling, it's a trap. You see, for market structure shift for no. If only you see price doing this now. If only price comes below this further, this sell side liquidity. If only price comes to this sell side liquidity and it has a favorable gap, that's when you want to do a reversal. But as for now, I have already taken my full take profit. As for me, I took half here. No, it was around here. Yeah. Then I took my full take profit here in 2 minutes. Remember the rule: 2 minutes before the news, the high impact news. You don't know what's going to happen. At that exact time, price had already reached our 4-hour sales buy side liquidity, and we are in profit. pips. You can go back to the London session and see what price did. You can go back to the London session that we had reviewed and called the market live even before market had reached this point. With this point, we were around here. Now price actually even wants to, because this is a fair value gap here. But since it is in a higher time frame liquidity, that will not be high probability. But what we want to see is price coming inside to this, to this. Price might come to this external range liquidity. You see this is another external range liquidity. Price might also want to reach this target, but I'm not going to stay long. I'll actually end this New York session so early than normal because of we had our target had already been reached here when we entered here. We'll go back to the 5 minute. When price had entered this 5 minute fair value gap, this one, and this fair value gap, we rallied until I taking some partials in the way. Price will want to go back to, we have seen price rallying up to here, and that's enough for today since it's New York. And even if we're expecting more prices to go, I'll not be interested. I'll actually not stay in the line for a long session because these our target has already been reached for the day. These are already 63 pips. We have already collected 60 pips, and we are going to journal, and I'm going to leave it from there. Those who didn't hear, next time I hope you will be in the live so early now so that you can hear me calling the market in real time because they happen here. And I also put my stop loss here, as I told you, and that's where I'll end my live, and do a screenshot there. That's where we'll end. Price has reached the take profit. Price might also want to continue rallying high and high to this, but I am not interested. I'm going to spend my profits that I've done from here to here, and we used good risk management, and we call the markets live, and now I'm not interested in going back to the markets. I'll probably end it here. I've already shown you. You'll want to take some. Remember, if you after taking some screenshot, you also take some profit. Price might reverse the whole session for those people who are greedy and entered only during the New York session. This missed you, and sorry. Next time you will believe that we call the markets here live. Until we meet again, have a good trading day. Spend your profits wisely, and until we meet again tomorrow during the London session. We'll be here tomorrow. London session tomorrow. New York will be here Friday. We might see even price will still continue going higher. Remember, let's go and switch tomorrow. Anyway, until we meet again, adios muchachos.